I wondered if you could back up a bit and give us some chronology of when the Quran became the Quran, and when Muhammad became a prophet, and when Allah became the God of this group of people.
Muhammad became a prophet when he had a revelation in a cave, and he started dictating to friends or assistants what he had heard. He couldn't write it down himself, and it was copied on shards, and this is in the early 7th century. And then they started accumulating and were kept until after his death, when they put them all together. So he's the third in chronology. The Jewish revelations came before the AD, birth of Jesus, then Jesus in the 1st century, then Muhammad in the 7th century. But Allah has always been there. That he was preaching over and over and over that it didn't start with me, it started with Adam. And Allah is revealing to me what he wants to the Arabic-speaking people to do to please him. And that doesn't mean that we made up a new religion in the 7th century. There's only been one religion and one God.